Welcome to Red Atlas. Today you're going to discover everything our platform has to offer so you can work faster, with more data, and with all the information you need. Let's get started. At the top, you'll find the search bar, designed to give you instant results using natural language or specific keywords. When you start typing, for example, Gallery Plaza, the system immediately suggests related segments like sectors, neighborhoods, listings, properties, transactions, permits, and news. You can also apply filters directly from this interface, making your search even easier. Once you select a result, for example, an address or property, the platform instantly shows you the location on the map. A visual card appears with essential details like description, size, number of linked listings, permits, completed transactions, and property photos. From there, you can click View Property to access the full profile and see all the details in depth, as shown in the next section. Once inside the property profile, the platform offers you a fully integrated and enriched view. It includes key data such as property type, zoning, cadastral number, total number of units, and all active listings. It also displays market indicators like the average price in the area, total transaction volume, and an activity index. This lets you understand in seconds whether it's an active market, stagnant, or in high demand. You'll also find high-quality images that help you assess the real condition, surroundings, aesthetics, and visual potential of the asset even before accessing technical documents or reports. Inside the property profile, you'll find key sections that expand all technical, commercial, and legal information instantly. For example, in listings, you can manage all published ads for that property. You can compare prices, see which portals it's listed on, check publication dates, see which agents are involved, and access the original listings directly. This lets you instantly understand how visible the property is in the market and how it's being promoted. In the Units tab, you see each section of the property in detail, whether it's an apartment, retail space, penthouse, or other unit. You'll find exact measurements, floor number, assigned use, and fiscal status. This is very useful for assessing internal development, estimating rental potential, or planning future uses. The Transactions section shows the complete sales history, dates, amounts, parties involved, and transferred area. This is ideal for detecting value trends and validating comparables with real data. In Deeds, you have direct access to all official documents, with the option to view or download them. This way, you can confirm ownership, verify dates and conditions, and check all registry information, ensuring legal security for any transaction. In Documents, you'll find all blueprints, certifications, legal studies, and contracts related to the property. In Permits, you'll see all permits granted for the property, type, status, issue date, and a direct link to the official entity that registered it. This is key for evaluating whether a project can expand or for detecting risks if there are expired or pending permits. Lastly, in Taxes section, you'll find the details of historical payments, annual trends, and any current debts. All of this shows why each tab inside the property profile is so powerful. From the same property profile, you can generate a complete valuation report in just seconds. By clicking the button, Red Atlas asks you for some key details: the sector, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, parking spaces, interior and exterior built area, lot size, view, amenities, number of rooms, and other relevant information. Once you fill in these fields, simply click Generate Report, and the platform immediately creates a professional valuation report with all the information you need to make clear. The report includes a customized cover page with your branding, shows the estimated market price, details all property information, adds comparable transactions, presents active and removed comparable listings, provides relevant tax information, and ends with a professional disclaimer that ensures the quality of the content. Everything is gathered in a single, clear, and easy-to-understand document. Plus, you can download it as a PDF, share it with your contacts, or make it public if you want to send it to clients or colleagues. And here's an extra. You also have the option to print the complete property profile or add it to your favorites list to keep working on it later. This is the Listings section, and without a doubt, it's one of the most powerful parts of Red Atlas. Here, you'll find all listings published across different platforms, brought together in one place so you can find opportunities without wasting time. The first thing you see are the basic filters: location, sector, listing status, and price. With these, you can already run a quick search and start exploring. But if you want to go further, you can open the advanced filters, and this is where Red Atlas truly stands out. You can filter by area, property type, physical features, transaction history, permits, taxes, and even linked legal documents. This level of depth allows you to fine-tune your search to the maximum. Whether you're looking for a specific investment, properties with valid permits, or listings with certain registry history, everything is designed so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Once you apply the filters, you'll see the key information for each listing: price, exact location, description, amenities, number of rooms, surface area, price history, sources where the listing is published, days on market, and contact details for the person who listed it. And finally, from this same view, you can also generate a valuation report just like from the property profile. You simply complete the required details, and the more information you provide, the more accurate the valuation will be. You can then download the report, share it with clients or colleagues, or keep it saved in your account for whenever you need it. With this tool, each listing stops being just another data point and becomes a real, verified opportunity, ready for you to analyze and make decisions with confidence. In addition to exploring individual properties, Red Atlas lets you understand the full market context based on the area you're working in on the map. From the bottom right corner of the screen, you can access two key tools: Market Analytics and Analytics. The platform automatically detects your location on the map, and if you prefer, you can manually select the municipality or neighborhood you want to analyze from the top menus. This lets you filter any area of interest without needing to move the map, perfect for comparing different areas or diving deep into a specific market with total precision. In just seconds, Red Atlas shows you key information such as the number of commercial and residential properties, the number of active listings, closed transactions over the past year, issued permits, built area, land area, and much more. It also integrates the latest news related to that zone, from new construction projects and regulatory changes to major investments, all updated in real time so you never miss an opportunity. If you want to analyze another area or compare multiple zones side by side, simply select the municipality or neighborhood from the menus, and new data will appear instantly. Right next to Market Analytics, you'll find the Analytics tool. When you enter this section, Red Atlas displays a series of interactive charts that let you analyze market behavior visually, clearly, and in real time. These charts help you sort and understand information from different perspectives. For example, the sectors where listings are concentrated, the average days they remain on the market, price distribution, built area, land size, listing status, and the breakdown by number of bedrooms or bathrooms. All this information is shown dynamically. When you hover your cursor over each segment, you'll see percentages and key details that enrich your analysis. You can also apply filters by location, property type, price range, listing status, and other variables to adjust the view to what you really want to analyze. The best part is that all this data can be used both inside and outside the platform. Each chart can be exported as an image or downloaded as a CSV table, perfect for building professional presentations or reports. It's a direct way to make smarter investment decisions, backed by real and up-to-date data. Before moving on to the rest of the tools, it's important to highlight that Red Atlas is not just a database. It's also an interactive navigation tool that lets you explore the entire map of Puerto Rico dynamically and accurately, filtering specific areas in an intuitive way. In the lower left corner of the screen, you'll find the map controls, very similar to what you already know from Google Maps. From here, you can switch between light mode and dark mode, choosing whichever best suits your visual preferences or the current lighting conditions. If you need more detail, you can activate the satellite view, perfect for observing buildings, green areas, or getting a clearer idea of the property's real surroundings. You also have the classic zoom buttons to zoom in or out depending on the level of detail you need. But without a doubt, the most powerful feature is the Draw tool. With this button, you can draw directly on the map to outline the exact area you want to analyze. Once you trace the area, Red Atlas automatically filters all the properties located within the boundary you created, perfect for focusing on specific sectors or excluding areas you're not interested in. If at any point you want to remove that filter, simply go just below the search bar and click on Drawn Polygon to clear it instantly. With these features, Red Atlas transforms the map into a true analysis tool. At the top of the sidebar, you'll find the Account option. From here, you can manage all your personal information. It's essential to keep this information up to date because many reports automatically include your contact details. Right next to it is the Organization tab. If you created an organization when you subscribed, here you'll see all its details: name, industry, contact information, and you'll also be able to add, remove, or edit your team members. This tool is fundamental if you work with an agency, brokerage, or project team, as it allows you to manage members and coordinate tasks in a more organized and collaborative way. Next is the Reports tab. In this section, you can access the full history of all the valuation reports you generate with your account. It's very practical because you can view, download, or share them directly from one place, keeping everything organized and always within reach. And finally, there's Billing, where you'll find all the information related to your Atlas Professional subscription. With these options, Red Atlas helps you keep your account, team, and payments always well organized, so you can work professionally, efficiently, and with no surprises. Here we introduce one of the most advanced and disruptive features of the entire platform: Atlas Intelligence. Red Atlas includes a virtual assistant powered by artificial intelligence. You no longer need to configure filters one by one. Just type exactly what you're looking for, as you would say it in a conversation. For example, I want to see an apartment in San Juan with 2 bedrooms, an ocean view, and close to restaurants. In seconds, the assistant understands your request, interprets every detail, applies the right filters, and takes you straight to the map with the most relevant results. No extra steps, no hassle. Every search you run with Atlas Intelligence is automatically saved in your history, so you can revisit it, adjust it, or reuse it whenever you want. This means every query you make helps optimize your workflow, with nothing lost along the way. Atlas Intelligence puts AI at the service of real estate so you can explore, filter, and uncover business opportunities more comfortably and efficiently. With Red Atlas, you can estimate the value of any property in seconds, even if it's not part of your own portfolio. This tool is designed so that anyone from brokers to investors to owners can generate a professional report and share it clearly and directly. It all starts by entering a specific address. Instantly, the property profile appears. Type of asset, photos, a brief description, built area, existing permits, and all recorded transactions. This gives you a quick overview without wasting time. Next, you select the exact unit you want to value. Here you'll see key details such as size, cadastral number, current owner, last transaction, price per square meter, and all related listings or transaction records. Once selected, you move on to the next step. At this point, a detailed form opens where you can add or adjust the unit's information, modify dimensions, prices, add rooms, amenities, or any extra details that will help generate a more precise valuation. The more complete the information, the more accurate the final estimate will be. When you're done, simply click on Generate Report, and within seconds you'll have a visual, well-organized report ready to download, send to clients, share with colleagues, or save to your history for future reference. This function is practical and powerful because it lets you independently value any property you want to analyze, compare values between neighborhoods, or validate market prices when negotiating. It's perfect for brokers who want to justify a price to a seller or buyer, for investors who need to assess buying or selling opportunities without relying on third parties, or for anyone who wants to understand the true price range of a neighborhood or specific property. With the property valuation feature, every appraisal is right at your fingertips, clear and straightforward. It's a resource that adds credibility and value to your daily work, ensuring you always have a solid visual argument when presenting a property or evaluating an opportunity. Inside the side menu, you'll also find the Lists option, a space designed to help you organize and manage your favorite properties, listings, and transactions smartly and all in one place. Creating a list is very simple. Just click on Create List and a window will open where you can enter a name and a brief description. This lets you classify opportunities by client, area, type of investment, or any criteria you prefer. Once saved, your list appears automatically in the menu, always ready to check or update. While browsing any property, listing, or transaction, you'll see a button with a plus symbol. When you click it, your list menu opens. Just select which list you want to save that item to, confirm, and that's it. Everything is saved without needing to repeat searches or copy links. It's practical and fast. When you open a list, you can see all the items it contains. Properties, listings, and transactions organized clearly. From there, you can keep adding more content using the Add Properties, Add Listings, or Add Transactions buttons without leaving the page. And the best part, with just one click, you can generate a professional report for that list. You can edit, download, or share them whenever you need. This feature really changes the way you organize and present properties. It's simple, powerful, and helps you work much more efficiently. Inside the side menu, you'll find the Reports option, which works as a direct shortcut to all the reports you've generated on the platform. When you click on it, your Personal Reports tab opens automatically, showing the complete history of all valuations, analyses, and listings you've created so far. From this space, you can download any report in PDF format, share it with a client or colleague, or keep it organized for future reference. This shortcut makes it easier to manage your information efficiently and always have it at hand. Another feature inside the side menu is Deed Search, a key tool for accessing official documents quickly and easily. When you click on it, a search bar opens along with an interactive map. From there, you can enter a specific address or simply move around the map to locate the property you're interested in. Once selected, an information card appears with all the key details. The most relevant part is the View Deeds button, which takes you straight to the Deeds section inside the property profile. There you'll see a complete list of all associated documents, detailing the type of deed like sale or transfer, the recorded price, surface area, date, and the official source of the document. If you select a specific deed, you can open the PDF file to review all the details, such as the buyers and sellers' names, legal clauses, key dates, and any additional information supporting the transaction. Red Atlas delivers a level of trust and transparency that makes all the difference. Real, verifiable data available in seconds, just a click away. As explained earlier, clicking on Analytics in the side menu takes you directly to the Metrics dashboard. It's a quick access shortcut designed to help you review market behavior, property performance, and generated reports without wasting time navigating through other sections. When you click on News in the side menu, you're taken directly to a complete panel with all the latest updates from the real estate market, organized so you can always stay up to date without having to leave the platform. Within this section, you can apply filters to view only the information that matters to you, whether it's general news or specific topics like infrastructure, residential, or construction. Each article is organized by category and location, highlighting the latest projects, new trends, and regulatory changes that may impact the sector. You can also instantly check the index of active listings in Puerto Rico, whether residential, commercial, or office, making it a very useful tool for getting a clear snapshot of market activity and movement in real time. It's a complete ally to help you work better, stay informed, and act quickly with professional support. Now it's time for Settings, a section you'll find within the side menu. From here, you can easily adjust the platform so it fits your specific needs. In Select Country, you define the market you want to work with. Puerto Rico is currently available, and new markets like Colombia, Argentina, and Mexico will be added soon, expanding your reach and giving you more opportunities if you want to search across different regions. Just below that, you'll find the language option, which lets you switch between Spanish and English. This ensures that all your navigation, reports, and tools are displayed in the language you find most comfortable. With these simple settings, every professional can personalize their experience, fine-tuning the region, language, and usability of the platform in a clear and practical way. Before we wrap up, it's worth showing you how you can reach out to us whenever you need help. In the side menu, the last option is Support. When you click on it, a simple form opens where you can leave your name, email, phone number, and tell us about your situation or question. As soon as you submit the form, one of our specialists will get back to you by email to help you as quickly as possible. In addition, In the bottom right corner of the platform, you'll always find a live chat available. It's the fastest and most direct way to connect with our technical team in real time. There, you can ask questions, request immediate assistance, or solve any issues while you work, without interrupting your workflow. Inside the chat, you'll also find updated articles explaining how to use each feature of Red Atlas step by step. And if something still isn't clear, just send a message and our team will reply in minutes. This way, you're never alone. There's always someone on our side ready to help you get the most out of Red Atlas. And this brings us to the end of this walkthrough of all the tools that make Red Atlas a complete platform for real estate professionals. If you still have questions after this demo, or if you'd like to see how Red Atlas can adapt to your business, remember you can always reach out by email at info@atlas.red, chat with us live, or book a personalized demo with our team of specialists. Don't miss the chance to take the next step and elevate your work with Red Atlas Professional.